This is wonderful. Yeah, rich people. Yep, that's great. You got to be watchful, especially now, because it's the week, you know, the holiday weekend, and all the crazies, I'm sure they're out and about. All kinds of, you know, crazy, brain deficient, half drunk people are out and about. I mean, they're always out and about, but, you know, especially now. Like this stupid shit. Dimwits can't move stuff out of the way. They leave it right here. Because they're freaking idiots. I just want to move it out of the way. These people have no consideration for other people. There's a car sitting on the tire. I don't know. I don't want to know. I guess he wants to cut in front of everybody. He's not making a right turn. It's supposed to be right turn only. This is what I mean, these entitled people. Yep, right turn only lane. Nice turn signal. Or people just walking across looking at their phone, not paying attention. Nope, no one's paying attention. Could be a car coming, you might want to check next time. Miles? That's it, thank you. You're welcome. Why do they leave it? People are idiots. Just leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk. It's another genius. They leave it right in the middle of the sidewalk. That's how considerate people are. These kids especially. They're idiots. Just people who leave them anywhere and everywhere. That's what annoys me about these damn things. Hope it's ready. And that's it. Thank you. Okay. Oh, thank you. Have a good one. Thank you. Into this frickin' car. Oh, that's the one. Oh shit. This is what happens, I'm telling you. Pick up, yeah. Yep. Yeah. There you go. Have a nice day. Take care. At least now I know I could fit a whole pizza box in that bag. That's a good thing. Back door basement entrance. Hello, this is your Uber Eats delivery? I'm in the back, yeah, basement entrance. Okay, thank you. Bye. There you go.
Thank you, my friend.
All right, have a good night. Thank you.
Sorry, 60.
You could drive a car up on the sidewalk and they wouldn't have noticed. They're too busy on their phone.
Put a pen in your bag so you can have the number.
Violet?
Violet out. Okay, now.
Okay. Thank you. So look at this wheel, so you can just roll it over and move it out of the way. They can't even roll a freaking scooter out of the way.